Good morning, guys. Today we're gonna show you how to drive a remote control car. As you can see, this you have to get Duracell battery. This is our remote. Here the driver. Here you may go. This is called the Mashuki Ride. Right? This is our front. Our side. Ben Tennyson, yes. The back. The side again. The front. This is a kind of a disco light. Right? This is a kind of a disco light. And your video boy, Taichan Singh. Yes. This is the boy video cameraman. Yes, I am here. This is the boy who's gonna ride it. Come on, please don't be scared, boy. Come on. What do I be if someone? Good. That's him, yes. And as you can see, here is
Mashuku ride.
This is the car ride. And that's him, Azwin. Come on, let me see you. Wonderful spin. Good drift. This is called a freestyle. And this is called a drift. Wonderful, boy. Nice drift. Clean slide about wide. Here's Azwin. As you can hear, someone's lighting a couple of bombs right now, but it's my friend here, Azwin. He's lighting bombs. Clean. Can see this is the car.
That's it.
There we go in. Drive. That's my friend. He's Uncle Patrick. He's going to graze his sheep. And that's the end of our video. So thanks for watching again. What I want you to do is hit that thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Okay, I want you to hit the thumbs up again and hit the subscribe button and hit that bell next to you there too, so you'll get notified of all my videos. Understood? Thank you very much. That's the car again. Wonderful, isn't the car wonderful? Cars